This is Abbio's 1-minute tutorial for cooking perfect French fries at home. Crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. Start by cutting potatoes into even-sized matchsticks. Drop them into water while you're cutting to remove extra starch and to keep them from turning brown. Next, pat the matchsticks dry to avoid extra splatter when they go into the oil. Put about an inch of potato oil into the Abbio stock pot and heat to 350 degrees. You want enough oil so each fry is completely surrounded. After 4 minutes, when the fries start to turn light brown, remove them from heat and let them cool for at least 15 minutes. Now the key to the crispy exterior is what happens next, the double fry. Put the fries back into the oil at 425 degrees for another 2 minutes. Take them out and toss them in a bowl lined with paper towel to soak up the extra oil while you generously sprinkle them with salt. Enjoy!